Hello friends, today we are going to learn about agriculture in India. Raising crops on soil and rearing animals for livelihood is called as agriculture occupation. From ancient times, agriculture is practiced in our India. Over the years, the tools, technology, and the way the cultivation is done in agriculture has been changing. Now, let us look at a few types of farming. First, subsistence farming. Second, commercial farming. Subsistence crops are also called as food crops. Subsistence farming is of two types: simple subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. Simple subsistence farming. Simple subsistence farming is practiced on small patch of land with the help of tools like hoe, dao, digging sticks, etc. This type of farming is done either by family or by community labor. This type of farming mostly depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of soil, and other suitable environmental conditions for the growing of crops. This method is also known as slash and burn method or shifting cultivation, also known as jum or podu cultivation, because in this process the farmers take a patch of land and burn the trees present on that land, and they leave the ashes from the burnt trees to be absorbed by the soil to make the soil nutrients filled so that the farmers can grow crops and they get the sufficient amount of nutrients. Shifting cultivation is mostly practiced by the northeastern part of India, like states which include Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, etc. These states are also called as Seven Sister States. Intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in the areas where the population is high. It is labor intensive farming, which means the labor is required in higher amounts, where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Commercial crops are grown for money. Commercial farming includes high doses of modern inputs like HYVs, means high yielding varieties. These type of seeds are used for good yielding, and chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain high productivity. The degree of commercialization of agriculture varies from one region to another. For example, rice is a commercial crop in Haryana because people living in Haryana don't consume rice as food, and Punjab. But in Odisha, it is a subsistence crop, means this type of crop is used as food crop. And also, plantation is another type of commercial farming. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are important plantation crops.